Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Lurking in the shadows, be like. Lurking in the shadows is usually a fun expression that means staying out of the spotlight, observing quietly, or waiting for the right moment. It doesn't mean anything scary. It can simply describe as someone being quiet, sneaky, or unexpected. 1. I'm just observing. Reason, quiet people often notice the most. 2. Surprise. I was there the whole time. Reason, sometimes people don't notice you right away. 3. I'm waiting for the perfect moment. Reason, good timing can make a big difference. 4. Silent mode activated. Reason, staying quiet helps you focus. 5. I'm hide and seek champion. Reason, finding good hiding spots is half the fun. 6. No spotlight needed. Reason, not everyone likes being the center of attention. 7. I heard everything. Reason, good listeners often learns a lot. 8. Just blending in the background. Reason, sometimes it's fun to say unnoticed. 9. Sneaking to the snack table. Reason, snacks have a magical way of calling everyone. 10. Mission stay unnoticed. Reason, quiet entrances can be funny. 11. I'll make my entrance later. Reason, waiting can build excitement. 12. I'm collecting clues. Reason, observing carefully helps solve puzzle. 13. The shadows are nice and cool. Reason, shade can be comfortable on sunny days. 14. No rush. Reason, patience often pays off. 15. Peek. Reason, curiosity makes life interesting. 16. I see an opportunity. Reason, paying attention helps you act wisely. 17. Stealth level expert. Reason, moving quietly can be impressive. 18. You almost misses me. Reason, quiet people can be full of surprises. 19. Watching before acting. Reason, thinking first helps wild mistakes. 20. I'm just enjoying the view. Reason, sometimes observing is enough. 21. The best surprises are unexpected. Reason, timing makes surprises more fun. 22. I'm practicing my ninja walk. Reason, quiet footsteps can become a funny challenge. 23. The adventure starts now. Reason, every moment can lead to something exciting. 24. I'm one step ahead. Reason, planning helps you stay prepared. 25. No dramatic entrance today. Reason, simple can be just as effective. 26. I found the perfect hiding spot. Reason, creativity makes games more fun. 27. Quiet. I think I heard something. Reason, staying alert helps you notice details. 28. I'll reveal myself at the perfect time. Reason, good timing adds excitement. 29. Observe, think, then act. Reason, smart decision often come from patience. 30. Lurking in the shadows until it's snack time. Reason, even the quiet person appears when food arrives. Sometimes staying in the background gives you the best view of what's happening. Whether you're quiet, observant, or just waiting for the perfect moment, remember to stay kind, respectful, and enjoy the adventure. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.